Okay guys, welcome to the workshop. Just having a little relaxing fire before I go in for the night. Been out here most of the day welding and cutting and painting and making noise and lots of smoke. Making lots of smoke right now too. But a pretty productive day. But it's done. That's enough. Dude Dick. My buddy Dude Dick showed up. How you doing, buddy? Oh, relax, relax, relax. Good boy. Now we're gonna have a little fire. Just a small one. We have no beverage or nothing. If you were a smart dog, you'd go get me a beer. Nobody trained you that way, huh? That was a very smart. Knowing you, you just help yourself. I want to give an update on my computer. Got my computer fixed. Took it to the computer guy. Took him 3 hours to get the recovery done, and didn't lose anything. I didn't think I would. It was all on there. Reinstalled Windows. How he did it, what he did, I didn't ask. It cost me $10. 330 baht. That's what he asked for, which is right around $10. So that was good. Very happy with that. I get home and start finding everything and reinstall, and you know, it's like getting a new computer. All your stuff is there, but it's hidden in the hard drive, and all your programs are gone. All thumbnails are gone, or yeah, all the bookmarks are gone, which sucks. I had a lot of stuff bookmarked, and that's all gone. But now I have another problem. He did the update, or the upgrade, or the recovery, and he put everything in Thai. Some things I managed to change the language on, but not everything. So now my computer is half English and half Thai, and I can't get the rest of it changed to English. So now I need to find somebody that speaks English and Thai and understands computers. Oh, always something. Like a lot of stuff you can do even though you don't know the language, just muscle memory, you know. I know where copy, paste, cut, you know, all that stuff is. Opening a new tab, but there's just a bunch of stuff that you just can't do. That's for sure. So I need to get that done. At least I have a computer now. I can start editing videos and stuff like that. But yeah, fun. Made my computer be Thai. A lot of stuff wants to be in Thai anyway, like try and open Facebook in English half the time it's in Thai. PayPal is another one that always wants to open in Thai because it knows you're in Thailand. But you can get around that. You just go and find the English one and open it again. But now it's an even more difficult one. Everything on the computer, half the stuff on the computer is in Thai. And to fix it, you got to know a little bit about computers. I tried to do, you know, just go by the number of rows and, you know, how to change the language and all that. But with the new upgrade, or when it updated and crashed and Now I got it back. It looks a little different now. Things are not in the same place, not everything. So I couldn't do that. I just couldn't figure out how to make that happen. You know, just copying the English one. I found it online how to do it. Go through there. Okay, that's the right page. Okay, I got that. And this page is not the same. So that kind of sucks. So now, probably go back to the same guy next time I'm in the city. Problem is that's well over an hour away, so it's too far. So we go to the city for grocery shopping, and I have to go back to see him again. But always something, you know. I think I need to box my wood up and put it inside. I should know better. Boy. My wood is very, very wet. Had a huge rainstorm last night. It hit at midnight like a bomb. Wow. First it was wind and rain, and then the wind died, thank God, and it's just straight downpour. Probably for half an hour or something, didn't last for very long. But it came down, holy man. One of those you're glad you're not outside. Oh, it looks like it's going to rain. I should go home soon. And too late now. And that's how the rainstorms normally hit here this time of year. It's no warning. Stupid computers. Can't live with them, can't live without them. Crazy old dog. What are you looking for? Huh? His tail does a full, complete circle. He's got quite a long tail, and it makes a complete loop. I know I've been doing insanely long videos on this channel. I've actually been editing some stuff out because the videos are so long, but they still end up being 24 minutes. What is with that? When I see other people do that, I think, what are you thinking? Nobody's got time to watch the videos that long. And there I am making them too. So, sorry about that. Hopefully they're not too boring. And so I think we'll leave it there. That's all I have to say anyway. I just wanted to give the update on the computer, and you know, nothing's ever easy. If it was easy, you wouldn't make videos about it, I guess. I think I need a beer. Want to do, Dick? You want some beer? Loves beer, don't you? Huh? Awesome. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I will try to keep the videos shorter. I like short videos. I like watching short videos. You know, 10 minutes, okay. 15 is really good. 24 minutes, that's way too long. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. It's time to stop rambling.